Hey guys, it's me James. I'm going to show you real quick how awesome this AccuBurr Jr is. We're going to go from, well, let's pretend like this is messed up and it needs to be filed down. So I'm just going to take a file. And all I'm doing is getting rid of all the nastiness on this card. So real quick, just back and forth. And I'm trying to keep it at a 90 degree here. Okay, we're at 90. I don't see anything messed up. And I'm gonna use my sharpening stone, which this one is a pretty high grit. This is like 1200. And I'm just gonna go back and forth on it. So now that should be really nice and polished. And what I'm also gonna do is I'm gonna take the old burr off, make sure that that's completely gone. Just by taking the edge there. Yeah, and so that's nice and smooth. I don't feel anything left. We're gonna lock it down in the other direction. There we go. And again, this AccuBurr has pretty low angle, mid angle, and high angle. I don't know how well you guys can see it just on a phone video, but anyway, I'm gonna demonstrate on the high angle. And all I'm going to do is I'm gonna keep this 90 degrees. I'm not going to use a whole lot of pressure, and I'm just going to go back and forth until I feel it grab. Once I start feeling it grab, then I know it's putting a nice burr on both sides at the same time. And that's one of the benefits of these things, is you get both sides of the card at the same time. So right now I started feeling it grab. I'm going to do like just a couple more passes, but I feel it grabbing already. And that's it. That is a fully prepped card, and you can't see the burr, but I can feel it, that's for sure. Anyway, that's it.